Hello, it's Diane, and oh my gosh, UPS just left, and look what I got. This is awesome. Awesome, awesome. Yesterday, I teased you that yesterday's video I would show you. These are all cuts from Tim Holtz collection from Free Spirit. The bottom one, this one is a beautiful flannel. This is a couple of Christmas prints, some gentleman's prints, the ticking. But all the rest of this is Moda and Northcott and Henry Glass from a great friend in Kansas who has a quilt shop. And yes, those are the empty boxes. And it's going to take me a few days to get all this online, but I've got some beautiful stuff. I want to start down here with 6 different cuts of Kansas Troubles from Moda, which she also sent me some cute little necklaces, which I think we're going to do an online promotion with those. The next collection is from Northcott, and it's called Autumn Splendor, and it also includes a panel. This collection is really super cute. It's called Spellbound, and it's by Moda. It's definitely a Halloween collection, but oh, it's so cute, cute, cute. The next collection is Springbrook. There's a handful of those bolts in here, plus some miscellaneous. There's One Fine Day. There's a flannel from Henry Glass. This collection includes a panel, and it's called Flower Market, and it's really super pretty. Oh, those flowers are beautiful on the black background. This is kind of a variety pack stack. It's got Riley Blake, it's got Moda, and a variety of different things in it that are super cute. And then this stack is part of the Harvest Wishes collection. So there's quite a few of the fabrics left in it, and also a pre-cut quilt kit. So it will take me a few days to get all these goodies online. And oh, I can't forget what's down here. These are Autumn Gatherings flannels, and they are really, really pretty. These are also from Moda. There's a panel, there's plaids, there's small, low volume prints. There's some really beautiful flannels. And so once I get these on the website, you just keep looking, because it's going to take me probably a week to get these all on the website, but there's going to be some great pricing on all kinds of new things. So be sure and check out what's new at DianneSews.com.